How to fix your iPhone cannot delete photos. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing such problem. You can go through them thoroughly. I've listed them. The first thing you want to do is simply check your storage. You want to go into settings in general and iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough free space. If that is not the case, you can also try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches and allow photos to delete. You can also try closing the Photos app completely and reopening it, or you could also try turning off your iCloud photos. Go to settings, your name and iCloud and photos, and turn off iCloud photos. If it's still not working, try deleting from your recently deleted, or you could also try turning off and turning on your iOS Apple Airplane mode. If that is still not the case, you want to try going to settings in general, transfer or reset iPhone, and reset all settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you